Hey everyone, Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing. We have some exciting news, some updates for you guys, so let's get right into it.
Guys, make sure to stay to the end. We have two really exciting things that we want to share with you, so hang in there.
So as you can see behind us, we are officially winterized. Nelly is under the cover now. We've been getting quite a few people asking about what cover we use. We're using currently one's called Selman. We'll link it below. It's actually probably the best cover we've ever used. It's 7 layers. It has like a UV protectant, but what's really cool about this, I don't know if you can see it here, is that you see these zippers, they run along both sides of the motorhome, and what that allows us to do is now, if we want to shoot any kind of video inside, or for the general public that doesn't shoot video, if you want to get inside your motorhome and open the slides, you can do that. We couldn't do that with the previous covers that we had, and this one, it's just a lot of straps on it. You can see it's kind of windy out right now. Yeah. Hasn't moved. So we really like that. But just because we winterize doesn't mean that the content stops.
Oh,
so we have some exciting news to share with you.
We did a community post about a week or two ago, and it was a poll to see what you like most about our channel. And a lot of people said, you know, we watch everything, we like everything, but what won hands down was RV tours. And then travel vlogs was after that, and informational videos. Guys, we got lots of tours coming at you, a lot, over the next few months. We have the Tampa show coming up, or the Florida RV Super Show in January, which will be spending the full week at. We're going to be doing a ton of videos down there from our property at the Myakka River Motor Coach Resort. We're going to be going to Matt's RV Reviews meetup for a night. We're going to have all different really fun videos, RV tours, travel. We're going to still keep going with our informational videos because we got so much to share with you. So the next thing, we want to kind of update you on Nelly and the... It is, and we're under these big trees. The issues that we've had with her. So if you've been following us, you know we had a lot of issues with the fridge, continuous issues with the fridge.
It's been fixed.
Right. Our levelers, Nelly was in service for a couple of weeks actually because we had to get some work done on that.
That's been fixed.
Right. So we're going to give you an update now on what's been going on with the warranty, because a lot of people keep asking us, how is it going? How, you know, with all this work you've had done, how has it gone for you?
So this is in follow-up to another video we did a couple of months ago. We link it above, but if you may or may not know, we partnered with Wholesale Warranty and we're very transparent. They gave us a service plan and we took it because it actually helped us a lot this year. So a couple of issues that we've had this year. The first one was the water line right in the beginning of the season that was broken. We didn't have an extended coverage at that point. I believe that was almost $1,900, $1,500. We'll link that video above. We had to pay that out of pocket. June 28th of this year, 2022, we actually got the service plan from Wholesale Warranty. It's an exclusionary plan, and we discussed the differences in plans in the video we linked above. Since then, we have put in 2 claims, and I'm going to break everything down for you regarding how much the claims were, how much was paid out, how much the actual plan was, and what's the difference so far. All right, so let's talk about the issues that we had that we put in claims through Wholesale Warranty. So let's talk about the cost of the plan first. As I said earlier, the plan didn't cost us anything, but if you wanted an equivalent plan, an exclusionary plan, it is 2 years or 20,000 miles. Exclusionary, which means that everything is covered other than what is specifically stated not covered in the contract. Most of that is wear and tear items, but is all clearly in there. So that plan would cost somebody $5,158. Now, let us talk about the 2 claims that we put in. Remember when we kept shutting off on the side of the road, the 12-volt problem going to the fuel controller. So the total for that to be repaired, diagnosed, repaired, most of it was diagnosed in labor, $1,477.39. The claim that was paid out was $1,179.24, and we paid $298.15. I hope that math is all good. All right, the next one, which is the latest, so we had a refrigerator that went out, had to be replaced, and we also had levelers. What was happening, our front levelers were not holding level overnight, and it had been going on for some time. Basically, we would be level, and then over a day or two, we'd be off 2-3 inches, and we had to keep doing it. So it's a little bit annoying. Since we were bringing it in for the refrigerator replace, we had them look at that also, and indeed there was a problem. So those were both fixed. The total cost, $2,647.66. The claim that was paid, $2,407.23, and we paid $267.43. So total claims to date amount of $4,125.05. Total paid on those claims to date, $3,586.47. Total that we have paid, $538.58. That is out of pocket, deductibles, and anything else. As I said earlier, the plan cost $5,158. Total cost paid out, $3,586.47, and the difference is $1,571.53. So wholesale warranties is still making out. They still got $1,571.53 that they are ahead.
I want to make one quick point, because I'm sure people are wondering about the levelers. It was literally a solenoid.
A couple,
right?
I think it was a couple things, yeah.
So it wasn't like anything like crazy.
So here's the thing. Now, a lot of people will say, well, these are problems that you could have fixed. 100%, right? We could have fixed the solenoid ourselves. We could have done the refrigerator ourselves because we've done it before. But we had the coverage and we put the claim in and it was paid. They paid for the new refrigerator, everything else. That's why you get the coverage for it. And if we had this coverage for the line issue, we would have been way ahead right now. So this went into effect June of 28th. It's, as we shoot this today, it's November 12th. So we're talking about less than 6 months, and we're almost at the max there. Not just to say the max, almost at what the policy costs. There is no max amount as far as we know. Now, take that for what it is. If you're interested in wholesale warranty, we will put our link below. Just keep in mind, and this is not a sales tactic, it's just what it is. As the new year, next year, rates go up, right? Your RV is gonna get older, coverage will be less, cost will be more. So just keep that in mind. If you choose to get it, you can get it. If not,
don't get it.
We just wanted to share with you what our experience has been so far, and the claims have been paid extremely quickly. So I know for the first one, they paid it within like 3 days. I know the one we took it to Gerber RV, they were waiting for the total of everything. Once they called it in, it was paid within like 2 days. So it's pretty good. Like,
so it's not just good for the consumer, it's good for the businesses that
they
you're
love
working
it. The
with.
business loves it.
Yeah, the speed. And they'll be willing to work with you more because they know they're going to get paid quickly. If you're enjoying the video so far, we invite you to hit the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you know when we go live and release new videos. Also, we have a private Facebook group we'd love you to join. It's called Endless RVing, RVers Coming Together. And we have a free monthly newsletter. The link to sign up for that will be below. So now to the exciting news, although that was pretty exciting. So two really exciting things. So number one, well, one of them I can tell you, one of them you're gonna have to wait, but we're gonna, you know, put a little bait out there. Number one is our merch. So we have brand new merch. We've mentioned this, and we see a lot of you posting pictures and stuff with it, and that's awesome. We did the Endless RVing logo, and we also have our motto. It's a journey of a lifetime. So there's all different shirts, mugs. Yeah, brand new design. It's beautiful. So from Black Friday through January 1st, New Year's Day, we are going to be running a 10% off our entire store. This is the time, especially if you're going to Tampa, guys, if you want to get any merch and show it off at the show, this is the time to do it. Black Friday through January 1st, everything in the Endless RVing merch store will be 10% off. We have our store through Skidoo. Skidoo is a wonderful company. The quality is high, shipping is fast. They do a really nice job. So we'll put the link if you want to get anything for yourself. We'll put it right down below.
So following up what MJ said earlier in the video,
Did you call me MJ?
MJ. We put a poll out and asked people what are their favorite types of videos that we do. Number one by far was RV tours. So we do RV tours outside of YouTube.
Right. So if you don't follow us yet on Facebook and Instagram, what are you waiting for? We post a lot on those platforms, and on Instagram we have a large following, and what we do there, we do a lot of different things. I'll put little reels up of places we go and travels and pictures and things, but the large chunk of our videos there is RV tours, but in a different way. They're about 30 to 60 seconds long, just a quick glimpse at all different RVs, from A-liners all the way up to, you know, London Air, King Airs. I mean, you name it. You're gonna see fifth wheels and trailers, and just real quick glimpses to kind of see, you know, what you like. Or some people just like to kind of browse through and
you
look
know,
at them all.
The other thing, because we've had some followers or people that watch our videos that say we should just shut up and not speak. When we do those tours, you don't hear us. Right. It's just a tour with some music, so you don't have to hear us speaking.
So speaking of Instagram and Facebook, you're definitely going to want to follow us on these platforms. So the last thing we want to share with you is we can't share it with you. On December 1st, there's something really exciting that we're going to be showing and sharing with you, but you need to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and we'll be posting it on our community page as well on YouTube. If you're not on those platforms, it's fine. But if you are and you haven't jumped on board with us yet, definitely follow us there. But it's going to be really, really exciting, and we can't wait to share it with you.
Well, the only way to really, if you're not follow us, if you're only following us on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, you have to hit the subscribe button, also a notification bell, because when we make those announcements, you're not going to know unless you have the notification bell on. So as we're wrapping up 2022, we're already mid-November. We were just saying yesterday, in a month it's going to be Christmas. This is the last day for us in Jersey. Right now it's like 65.
Today, yes.
And after this, it's going down like 20s and 30s.
That's it. We're done. We're done.
So we have a lot of exciting things for 23. A lot of new travel.
Oh yeah.
We're going to be doing college tours with Jason. We're going to be going to new places that we haven't gone to.
Working with some different companies and new products and super exciting stuff.
This weekend we're going to be booking out a lot of things for 23, so we make sure that we are booked out and we're ready to go. So yeah, a lot of exciting things, guys. Thanks for joining us. Put in the comments below, what do you think about the plan? What do you think about our merch? I'm talking about the warranty plan. And what do you think about like Jason getting ready to go to college? A little crazy, right? Put in the comments below. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.